Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mass delete emails in Gmail. If your inbox is full of old or unwanted emails, you can quickly remove thousands of messages using Gmail's built-in selection and search tools. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign in to your Google account if you're not already signed in. Next, decide which emails you want to delete. You can open a category like Promotions, Social, or Inbox, or use the search bar to find specific emails. For example, you can search by sender, date, label, or attachment size to narrow down the results. Once the emails are displayed, click the Select checkbox at the top of the email list. This will select all the emails on the current page. If Gmail displays the option Select All Conversations that match this search, click it to select every matching email in your account. Now, click the Delete icon at the top of the page. The selected emails will be moved to the Trash folder. If you want to permanently remove them immediately, click Trash from the left-hand menu. If the Trash folder isn't visible, click More to expand the menu. At the top of the Trash page, click Empty Trash Now. Confirm your choice to permanently delete the emails. Keep in mind that permanently deleted emails can't be recovered. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to mass delete emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gmail tips, Google Workspace tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.